Hello Sportyfriends users. In this video I will go over your members and statistics page. First we go to the admin section and then to members. Here you will see all your members. As you can see, in this club we have 171 members. You can sort your members by the different membership, as I just did. From there, you can go into each member and get more information about that member. You will see their email address, city, phone number and birthday, among other things. You will also see their 5 last payments, and if you click on activities, you can see which events they have signed up for. If you press on the button with the 3 dots, you have the options to make this member an admin or a trainer. From here, you can also send them an email and switch their password. On the members page, you also have the option to send emails to some selected members or to all your members. We also have a great statistics page. In this graph, the blue line shows you the amount of course booking, and the green one shows you how many trainings and activities members have signed up for within each month. If you scroll down a little, you will get a great visual of where your members are from, their age, and what kind of membership they have. That was all for today. I hope you liked it.